Let's add a map on my DIY website page. This is the home page. I have contact form, but maybe at the bottom I want to put the location of my office as well. So let's do it. I'll go into the menu, click on the admin to enter the admin panel, then select my home page, but the map can be added to any page actually, but I'll do it on my home page. Straight at the bottom of the page, I will use the blue plus button on the left and select map, like that. Once I have the map, I can use the pencil over here, delete the default location that actually is there, and type my new location, Glenveigh National Park. Like that. Save, and then go all the way up, publish the page to make it publicly available, and I'll just go back down for you to see the map is being added to the website. If I open the page in live mode, the map will be there. In some cases, you might not be able to find the place by just typing the name or the address of the place, and you have to use the latitude and the longitude. This will be covered in a separate video.